What I'm trying to explain to you is something mathematically valid but equally valid by common sense. अगर हम ये सारा व्यवहार एकदम से फिर उसी पे चले जाएंगे जो दिसंबर जनवरी फरवरी में था, मान लीजिए एकदम से चले जाएंगे तो वेव फिर दोबारा जल्दी आएगा वायरस और ऊंचाई तक जाएगा। इसको हम धीरे 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 अपना बिहेवियर को एडजस्ट करेंगे, टाइट्रेट करेंगे, टाइट रोप वॉक करेंगे तो वेव छोटी भी होगी, शायद ना भी आए और आगे चलती जाएगी। कहने का मतलब यह है कि वी हैव टू बाय टाइम and we want to buy time particularly to ensure that we achieve a high coverage of our vaccination. That's the time we want to buy. And that is the duration of intense discipline that we want to exercise. And that's my appeal today. What I am noticing today is that India, in terms of number of people who received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, let me repeat, number of people who received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, as per this data sheet updated yesterday or last night, India has administered, according to this data sheet, you know the official number, 17.2 crore doses. India, 17.2 crore doses according to this data system. And US, which is leading the pack, is 16.9. We have overtaken US in terms of number of people who have received at least a single dose of COVID-19 vaccine. I repeat, we have overtaken US in terms of number of people in our country who have received at least one dose of vaccine. This particular data does not include China, because of whatever issue of reporting inherent to this system is. They don't show China data. So China apart, the leading pack, the country that was leading the pack so far has been US, but as of yesterday, India has overtaken this position, 17.2 crores and 16.9 crore. And of course, you may also notice, by the way, that the UK is 3.95 crore, India 17.2, UK 3.9, Germany 3.8 crore, people who have received at least one dose. So you may like to keep this information in mind, and to me, it is reassuring that we are steadily improving and intensifying our vaccine campaign. And this, as we have said a number of times, will be intensified so much more in days to come and weeks to come. I noticed from the data again that we have covered 43% of 60 plus population with at least one dose. And here I want to appeal that to us, elderly citizen, higher priority for vaccination is for that person, purely because that person, higher the age, has a higher risk of adverse outcome. तो हमेशा से ये याद रखना है, हमने सबको लगाना है, लेकिन जिसको लाइफ का रिस्क है कोविड में, वो उम्र में बड़े हैं। तो ये 60 से ऊपर 43% कवर्ड हैं और 45 से ऊपर जाएं तो 37% कवर्ड है। मैं अपील करना चाहूँगा कि हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन्स का कवरेज में तेज़ी लाई जाए, और कॉन्वर्सली सीनियर सिटीजन से अपील करूँगा कि प्लीज़ आप वैक्सीनेशन का अपटेक बढ़ाइए, इसको अपनाइए। फ्री वैक्सीन जो स्टेट्स को सप्लाई किया जाता है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से, उसमें बिल्कुल ये प्रायोरिटी तो है ही, इसलिए उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को इस्तेमाल करते हुए प्लीज़ इस में तेज़ी आने की बहुत ज़रूरत है।